Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is August 7th. It is currently 11:33. I'm starting this vlog a little bit later than I feel like I usually would. Today is another one of those like spontaneous vlogging days. Like I just had a sudden urge to vlog and picked up my camera and started filming. So I literally have no idea if this is gonna make it to the internet or not, because usually when I do this, it doesn't end up being uploaded. But today I'm just gonna vlog and see how it goes. You guys are kind of just gonna see like an average work day in my life, I guess. Like I said, it's 11:33 and I haven't really done anything yet. Usually I'm pretty good about getting up and like doing things in the morning. If you watch my morning, oh my god, my voice just gave out. If you watch my morning routine, you would know exactly what I do in the morning. I'll have that link down below if you want to check it out. But yeah, I have literally done nothing this morning. I've just been like so tired. Like, you know those days where you just wake up on the wrong side of the bed, like you do not want to get up. So yeah, that's how my day's been so far, but we're gonna start doing stuff now. I have a little bit of laundry that I need to put away. Also, I'm wearing this shirt right now. It's just like a Pink Floyd shirt. I wore it to sleep last night and I didn't even notice until this morning, like probably 10 minutes ago, that it was inside out and backwards. How do I even do that? Whatever. Anyways, I think I'm gonna go get my coffee because I'm still kind of tired. I'm gonna film a video right now too. It's gonna be a haul for Princess Polly. I don't know if you guys have already seen that by the time this is uploaded, but if it's already up and you haven't watched it yet, go check it out. Also, go check out my Instagram because I probably posted a picture with Princess Polly on there too. I've been trying to post just a little bit more on Instagram because I feel like I never really do, and I don't know, it's kind of fun. I've been getting a little bit more into it lately, but I'm also trying not to care about it as much. I literally feel dumb even saying this, but I feel like I finally got my Instagram to the point where I'm like happy with it. Now I like edit my pictures a little bit differently. I don't do them as filtered anymore, and I just like how that looks a little bit better. And I've just been kind of having fun like taking pictures and stuff. So if you want to go check out my Instagram, I'll have it linked down below. It's always linked down below actually. All my socials are. Might as well just plug all my socials right now while we're at it. I think I'm gonna get ready now. Like I said, I'm gonna film that Princess Polly haul. So I'm just gonna do my makeup and then like touch up my hair a little bit. Like I'm just gonna straighten it a tiny bit. You know what? I should show you guys my makeup routine. I feel like I haven't showed you guys in the longest time. I might as well. It won't take that long. Okay, so I just primed my face. I cannot remember what her name is, but I use the Jackie something method. It's where you do moisturizer and then put translucent powder on top of that. And then you use setting spray and then primer. It sounds really weird and it sounds like it goes against all of like the makeup rules, I guess. But I swear by this. It works so well. Now I'm gonna use this foundation. It's the Catrice HD Liquid Coverage Foundation. It's from Ulta. It is on sale right now. I don't know if by the time you're watching this, it'll still be on sale. I'm not sure, but it's $5 right now. When it's not on sale, it's only $10. So I think this stuff is amazing. Shout out to Lane and Cameron for making TikToks about this foundation because that is how I found it. Just gonna put some drops on my face. When I was buying it, even the lady at the counter told me that I was gonna love it. She like asked me if I have oily skin, which I kind of do. I would say my skin is definitely more oily than it is dry, and she was like, yeah, you're gonna love it. Next, I go in with my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. I put a little bit right here and here, and then I do like this thing. I don't even know what it really is supposed to do. I've just seen it on TikTok a lot. Apparently models do this. I don't really know. I've seen that models also do this, like in this area. I literally don't even know if this is like making a difference, but I've been liking it a lot. For this part right here, I try to make it like almost a line right there, as if like I was like drawing like a eyeliner but reverse. I don't know if you can see that or if that makes any sense. Probably not. Okay, I just set that with some powder. Then I go in with my Glossier Cloud Paint. This is like my favorite stuff ever. I am in love with this. Oh, I got a lot. Should I just use it or should I wipe it off? Whatever. I'm gonna use it. Oh my god, it's gonna be so much. Oh man. Yeah, that's a lot of blush. Oh no, 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 no. I usually don't use this much blush, but you get the point. I'm obsessed with this stuff. You only have to use like the tiniest little bit of it, obviously, because it's like super pigmented. I have it in the shade Dawn, I think. It's amazing. I'll have a link down below that's like my referral link, I guess, where you can get like 10% off. Okay, now I use my mini James Charles palette. I don't do eyeshadow, but I do use the black shade to do eyeliner. So I'm just taking like an angled brush, and then you see where the line is from like my concealer. I basically just draw it on that line and then connect it to my like lash line, if that makes sense. You'll see how I do it. So I'll draw a little line like that. Obviously it looks really stupid stupid right now. And then I like to keep my eye open when I'm doing this. A lot of people do their eyeliner with their eye closed, but I feel like it gives me like a weird shaped wing when I do that. I like it to be just like very like straight out. So I'll keep my eye open and then just like connect it like this. It looks good in person, but I'm scared that it's not gonna look good on camera and that you guys are gonna judge me, but whatever. Okay, the other eye is done. I prefer using eyeshadow for eyeliner rather than like actual liquid liner, just because I feel like I have a little bit more control with it, and then it also looks a little bit like softer and smoky rather than like a sharp black line, which sometimes is still a look, but it's not as much my style, I feel like. Now I'm just using some clear brow gel. This is the Anastasia one, and then I use my Glossier Lash Slick mascara. I love this stuff. You can also use that same link that I was talking about earlier down below for 10% off your Glossier order. I take this one shade in the James Charles palette that's like a highlighter, and then I put a tiny bit in my inner corners, and then a little bit on my brow bones, and then I do just like the tiniest bit on like my Cupid's bow and my nose, and then on my cheekbones. Now I'm gonna set that all with my Morphe setting spray. I like this stuff because it looks like it's hairspray, and it sprays like it too, so it's just super like even. I don't know how to explain it, rather than like a little squirt bottle. This stuff also smells amazing. Usually I will also use some lip balm from Glossier. If you are going to buy anything from Glossier, buy this. It's just like a normal lip balm, but it's just so good. It just looks like lip gloss. I feel like it just looks so pretty. Okay, so I want to get my filming done, so I'm going to go finish like straightening my hair and then change into a cuter outfit than literally just this t-shirt, and then I'm gonna film my Princess Polly haul. I'll see you guys when I'm done. Okay, I just finished filming the haul part. Now I just need to film the try-on part. Filming videos is always super draining to me for some reason. I don't know why. I don't know why. It just makes me very tired. I forgot to take a thumbnail. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna take a thumbnail and film the try-on part. I'll update you guys later. Alright, I finished filming the try-on part, and now my room is a freaking mess. I did change into a different outfit too. Here's the outfit. It's just this orange top from Shein, and then I'm wearing these shorts from Princess Polly. Earrings are Princess Polly, and necklace is my mom's. But yeah, so I have a lot of cleaning up to do, as you can see, and I have some chores to do too. Like I have to like clean the living room, the office, all that. So cue the cleaning montage.
Hello. Hello.
Oh my God. Okay, I am all done cleaning. Now I'm going to clean out my senior year backpack. And no, I still have not done that. I feel like it's reasonable though. Let me tell you why. So on March 13th, when my district was basically just like, you guys can't come to school anymore for like 3 weeks, I was like, okay, we're going back, you know? So I obviously kept my backpack filled up with all my stuff, but then they were like, nope, you're still not gonna be able to come back for like another month. So I was like, okay, still thought I was going back. Then they were like, no, you cannot come back at all. Then it was just summer, and I forgot I even had a backpack because I hadn't been in school for months. So I am just now cleaning this out, and I'm gonna take you guys along with me. We're gonna see what I have in my backpack from the end of senior year, basically. This is just gonna be like a what's in my backpack. First of all, we got an empty pack of gum, got some Aquaphor, more chapstick, even more chapstick, a lip scrub. I really do not know why this is in here. This cute little mini deodorant, I forgot I had this. A Tide pen. I have lots of cough drops in here and just like wrappers. I don't really know why. That's all for the front little pocket. Now let's get into the big pocket. I have this pencil case from Amazon. I can use this for college. Oh my God. That sounds so weird. I refuse to accept the fact that I'm in college. Okay, I have this folder. Oh, this is my art folder. Okay, I don't need any of this. This was my civics folder. I do actually miss this class because I had like the best teacher. This is kind of making me sad, honestly. Oh my God. Okay, and then in this little like back pocket right here, I just have more of like the essentials and stuff. No way, shut up. My sophomore year ID is in here. This is my junior year ID. Oh my God, we're not gonna talk about that. And they used the picture from sophomore year too. Like why? I can't show you that. I don't know why they did that, but whatever. I literally only had like 2 folders in here, and then just food and a pencil case. that describes senior year for you. It's honestly kind of sad seeing this thing empty. Like, I'm not gonna think about it too much because if I do, I'm gonna get really sad. I still don't think I have processed the fact that I am no longer in high school. Like, I'm literally a high school graduate. That's not right. I'm literally starting college in 17 days. I'm gonna throw all this stuff away. I don't know what else I even have to do. I feel like I've been doing stuff like non-stop since like 11:30 since I started filming this video. It is now 4:36. Later tonight, I think I'm gonna go to this one cute coffee place with Brayden. If you don't know who Brayden is, that's my best friend. And then I think I might go hang out with his family for a while. I don't really know. We'll see. Oh, I forgot to tell you guys. So in a few videos back, actually I think it was a while ago, it's the one that's called Everything I Bought During Quarantine. In that video, I told you guys that 100% of the ad revenue was going to be donated to different organizations that support BLM. And I would like to update you guys and say that we've raised $577. I'll be donating all of it this weekend. I'm probably going to find like 3 or 4 charities that need it the most and spread it out over those. So I will update you guys. Check the description of this video and I will include all the places that I ended up donating the money to. I'm super excited about it. So thank you guys for watching the ads on that video. One more thing, if you're 16 or older, make sure to register to vote. I'll have a link for that in the description too, or if I can find one, I'll put one. Literally all I did to register was type in register to vote on Google and it was like the first website that popped up. Took like 5 minutes. I just wanted to tell you guys that for like my younger viewers, or not younger, 16, 17, 18, because it is so important to vote. I think that's all I have to say for now. I will update you guys later. Sorry for talking so much. If you're still here and you're still watching this, I love you. I got a lot of comments on my last vlog that said to do longer vlogs because I asked you guys if you prefer shorter ones or longer ones. So many people commented and said that they love longer vlogs, so that's what I'm trying to do. I'm actually really enjoying it. Sometimes vlogging can be very like draining and just not fun, but today it just feels easy. Like, I enjoy it. Anyways, I keep changing subjects and ranting, so I'm gonna shut up. I'll see you guys when I see you. Okay guys, so I'm in the car right now. I don't know why I said that. It's very obvious that I'm in the car. I changed my outfit, as you can see. Earrings are from Shein. Necklace is Honey by Lex. Top is Brandy. Jeans are thrifted Levi's. And then shoes are Birks. And then my purse is from Wild Bags USA on Instagram. Quick little outfit of the day that no one asked for. Okay, I'm gonna go get Brayden. I think we're going to the coffee place first and then his house after. I'm not sure. We'll see. I'll update you guys when I can. Get you on the floor.
Wow, that was the worst one yet. Stella, no!
Hi guys, it's a lot later now. I've been home for quite a while. This whole time I've just been editing, and I thought I was editing for like half an hour, maybe an hour. I look at the clock, it is 1:12 right now. How is it 1:12? I literally had no idea. Like, I still have makeup on. I still have freaking jeans on right now. Anyways, I think I'm gonna end the video right here. Today was actually a super productive day, but it was also super fun. I got to see Brayden and we got to go get our favorite smoothies. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. If you made it up until this point, comment what time it is where you live. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you have a great day and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.